All right, let's go live on my Facebook wall. Let's get to it, y'all. All right, what's going on? What's going on, world? What's going on? This is Jeff Trills, your favorite financial business broker, right? Business funding broker. Tonight, I'm going to be talking about what the title says: how to become a 50-state business funding and credit broker before the new year. Let me make sure my sound is good, and then we're gonna get this thing a show on the road now. All right. If you're coming in here live and you're on the live, tell me what state and city you're coming in from. I wanted to do this New Year's Eve presentation to get you guys in position to win in 2025, right? Because 2025 for me started right now. We already in it, right? We're already in it. So, and if that's the case, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys exactly what's going on here with this Freedom Pass situation, how to become a 50-state broker, and some of the services that we actually cover, right? Some of the services that we actually cover. And so let me just get right to it. As some of you are going to be jumping on here live, and some of you are going to catch the replay. Shout out for the reactions. Type of city and state that you're typing in, tuning in from, so we can get this show on the road. All right. So let me show you what it is that you get to do as a 50-state business funding broker and business credit builder, right? I'm about to give you a couple of different things, right? But I want to talk to you right now about the power of being a business. We do fintech actually, so it's a business fintech, business broker and business credit broker, right? And consultant. Right now, there's a lot of big businesses that's out here that's going on, and they don't have no proper business credit, right? And there's people out there that are looking for funding but don't know how to be fundable, not just fundable, but bankable. And so what you're going to learn today, how to become a 50-state business funding and credit broker. But what we're going to be doing for people is actually getting them in a position to where they become bankable. So let me just start to show you the presentation, and I'm going to show you some of the prices that we get to use. All right, so that you can make sure that when you got to become one tonight, you know exactly what you get to offer the client. So let's put this up on the wall right here. All right. The company that allowed us to be 50-state business brokers and business credit consultants is called Freedom Path. Okay. Now, if you don't know what Freedom Path is, it's the future of financial services. We are the future of financial services, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And so, with that being said, I know people are like, well, Jeff, what is fintech? Right. And if fintech is what you look at as PayPal. PayPal is a fintech company, right? There are no physical banks, but it's fintech, financial technology. That's what it is. Stand for financial technology. But what it really is the integration of technology into offerings by financial service companies to improve their use and delivery to consumers. So this is an easy way to match people with products and services. Okay. Now, I don't know if you know, but the global fintech market is projected to grow to 700 billion, excuse me. It's projected to grow to 700 billion with a B in 2030. So in less than 6 years, or about 6 years, this whole fintech industry is going to be a $700 billion industry, and you deserve to get a piece of the pie, right? It's going to be driving demand, but for easier, faster, and more accessible financial solutions, right? This traditional financial system isn't meeting the needs of many people, but it's leading a massive opportunity for the fintech world. So as you become a fintech business broker, you'll be able to do things that most people are not able to do, right? As we know, fintech is revolutionizing the financial services. It's making it way more easy and accessible to to underserved populations. So back in the day where, you had to have a bank account and then you had to be an accredited investor to even get these type of fundings, fintech broke down the doors where the average Joe Schmo can have much more, right? The average Joe Schmo can have much more. And with the fintech blueprint, okay? This is why I love fintech. This is why I love what I do. Now, there's people right now, we need them more than ever, all right? I'm going to talk about some statistics right now that we need to know. We need to know these numbers, right? We need to know what's really going on. What's going on, Renee? We need to know what's really going on. So 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and only 39% of Americans could cover an unexpected $1,000 expense, right? Knowing this fact that as a broker knows exactly how we're going to help these businesses. Okay, 43 million Americans have a credit score of 599 or below, according to the data from the financial, the financial, from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, right, the CFPB. Okay, and 57% of U.S. adults are financially unhealthy, meaning that they struggle with paying bills and saving money or managing debt. This is we got big people that have businesses that's have these type of issues. What's going on, Bless? Right? And 66% of Americans can't pass the physical financial literacy test. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is why it's very important for us as business brokers to educate the people first and then put them in a position to win. Okay. I get to educate business owners who never had a business credit score that were bankable. Okay. There's two types of score, ladies and gentlemen. There's the non-bankable lending score, and then there's the bankable lending score, right? There's two types of lending. And this is what we get to do. We get to help somebody go from non-bankable or unbankable to bankable here. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're able to do that later on. Now, this company, Freedom Path, was founded in 2022, but the guy's been doing it for over 20 years. Right? They've been led by industry, we're leading this company by industry veterans. We're 100% debt-free and privately owned. That's major. If we're in the business of lending money, don't you think we need to be privately owned and 100% debt-free ourselves? Before we talk about lending money to somebody else, we got to make sure that the house is good here. So that's what we get to do, right? This is who we are. And our mission is to help 1 million people get funding and build business credit, okay? The right way. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Now, we are literally disrupting the financial services industry, okay? So this was going on. Traditionally, you got people that actually would, traditionally, you had to, how you would find out about these services, but through advertisement, television, TV, stuff like that. Now we're going straight from what we offer right to the consumers who actually need our services. That's what we're here for. That's what we get to do, okay? So Freedom Path they developed this independent broker business model, right? Where we get to empower people to earn by helping others, provide equal and equitable access to financial services, and create income opportunity for others to help others. So we get to pay you to help others get funding. How beautiful is that, right? Now, these are the services that we get to offer as a Freedom Path FinTech broker. Okay, and I'm gonna go over 2 of the 6 right now. I'm gonna give you guys, excuse me, I'm gonna share with you guys a video that breaks down 2 of the 6 services that we get to offer. But we have 6 services right now. One is called Freedom Wealth. I'm gonna show you a video about that a little later. We also got Freedom Health. We have affordable health care for people who make much more. We have affordable health care for you guys. All right, we got Freedom Pay that's coming soon. Our merchant processing solution. Not only will we help people with funding, but we also show them how to make sure that they actually get a benefit with our merchants process solution. And you as a broker get paid for every business that you help set up their merchant account. Okay. We got Freedom Funding. This is the major thing we get to do. We get to fund people all across the globe, all 50 states. We get to fund them. Okay. Freedom Funding, right? Our business funding solution. Then we got the Freedom BCA, our Business Credit Academy. More people don't even know about their business profile. I know people that I've been in talks with that they had their business for 15 years, brick and mortar, and no credit score. And then when they look to get funding for working capital, they can't get no funding because no one taught them how to properly build out their business profile so that when it's time for them to get funding, they can get funding with ease. Until now, this is what we get to do as business brokers here with Freedom Path. Okay. Then we got Freedom Life. This is our health plan, right? Not our health plan, but our life insurance plan that you also get access to. Okay. Now, like I said, we have healthcare, we have Global Travel Club, we have estate planning, we have merchant services, life insurance, business loans, and credit restoration. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you a video that's going to go exactly over what Freedom Wealth is, our signature product. Okay. This is one of the bigger products that we get to offer people, and they get to help with their personal credit score and much more. Let me show you firsthand what that looks like. Let me play this video here. Let me know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type a 2 in the chat. I want to make sure you can see my screen. And if so, let's go ahead and play this video.
In this short video, I will give you a high-level overview of the tools, services, features, and benefits that Freedom Path membership has to offer. Starting with the home dashboard. This dashboard gives each member a high-level overview of their journey to financial freedom, including their full 3B scores, live alerts, and access to a private members community that allows them to interact with other users and credit experts in real time, providing them a support system and place to go to ask questions, get answers, and share feedback with each other. The member experience is broken down into 3 main sections: Score Path, Wealth Path, and Life Path. Within Score Path, the first service available is 3-bureau credit monitoring. This service provides each user with full 3-bureau credit reports and scores, along with other tools like Score Simulator, which provides them an understanding of how taking certain actions, such as purchasing a home or opening a credit card.
So you said no video, right? All right, you able to see this video? Okay. Let's go back and play the video one more time. Let me know if you get the video.
In this short video, I will give you a high-level overview of the tools, services, features, and benefits that Freedom Path membership has to offer. Starting with the home dashboard. This dashboard gives each member a high-level overview of their journey to financial freedom, including their full 3B scores, live alerts, and access to a private members community that allows them to interact with other users and credit experts in real time, providing them a support system and place to go to ask questions, get answers, and share feedback with each other. The member experience is broken down into 3 main sections: Score Path, Wealth Path, and Life Path. Within Score Path, the first service available is 3-bureau credit monitoring. This service provides each user with full 3-bureau credit reports and scores, along with other tools like Score Simulator, which provides them an understanding of how taking certain actions, such as purchasing a home or opening a credit card, may affect their score. Alerts, which gives them live-time credit alerts, such as new inquiries or loans being reported, and Score Factors, which tells them exactly what is on their credit that is helping or hurting them, and what it is specifically they need to improve. Next, under the Credit Restoration tab, each user has access to a proprietary do-it-yourself credit restoration tool that allows the user to easily identify what negative items are being displayed on their credit reports and submit direct disputes to the credit bureaus, all with a few clicks of the mouse. This intuitive tool automatically displays what negative items are reflecting, allows the user to easily select the item for dispute, and although the user can manually choose the reason for dispute, offers up the best suggested dispute reason to them. All they need to do is click Process Dispute on each item. It's that simple. Once this is done, they can either print the letters and mail them to the bureaus, or use our auto mail feature, which will mail them on their behalf. Next, under the Credit Building tab, this service allows users to instantly increase their credit score by having rent and utilities, such as power, cable, and light bills, reported to the bureaus. Although the service is very simple and minimalistic, it can have a huge impact on improving their credit score based on bills they are already paying. Lastly, under the Credit Protection tab, each member has access to our dark web monitoring and identity protection tool. This service allows the user to enter their address, email, phone number, medical ID, social security number, driver's license, passport, credit and debit cards, and bank accounts for instant dark web monitoring and protection. In this digital day and age, users are shocked in how many places their information is being shared on the dark web. This tool offers them live alerts and protection, including a $1 million insurance policy to cover them in event of the unexpected identity theft. The next main section of the user experience is Wealth Path. The first service you'll see here is Wealth Budgeting. This interactive tool allows each member to connect their bank accounts and credit cards directly to the platform, which will import transactions daily to create custom spending and budgeting. Understanding spending habits and creating an accountable budget is crucial to financial well-being. Next, under the Wealth Building tab, the bill negotiation tool allows users to submit their current bills to be negotiated and lowered, on average, saving them roughly 30% annually on each bill. This service alone can be beneficial at saving the member hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year. Moving on to the Wealth Monitoring tab. This feature allows users to track their total outstanding debt as being reported to each bureau, as well as calculate their total debt to income ratio. Understanding your total debt and overall debt to income is crucial in building credit and bettering your chances for loan approval. Lastly, under the Wealth Planning tab, each user has access to hundreds of financial calculators. Almost any financial situation a person would need to plan for, such as a mortgage, auto loan, student loan, 401k, and many more, are accessible through this feature. Understanding your situation, improving it, and planning for the future is the key to financial wellness. The final section of the user experience is LifePath. The first service you'll see here is travel planning. This interactive tool is a complete travel booking and savings platform that allows you to book your travel at savings up to 20% above what you may be able to find online. Next, under the Local Savings tab, this tool allows you to enter your location and what corresponding places you may be shopping at to instantly receive coupons and savings with just one click of the mouse. Lastly, the Life Insurance tab allows each member to obtain a quote and purchase life insurance directly through our platform, helping them better protect their family and the strong financial future they are building. One of the final benefits and most important benefits is education. Through our partnership with John Alzheimer, a former FICO and Equifax executive, we are constantly releasing new educational content relating to credit and financial well-being. We believe education is not only important, but necessary in truly helping people having a better understanding of their financial situation and helping them craft the best options to improve it. So now that you've seen the amazing tools, services, features, and benefits that Freedom Path has to offer, what are you waiting for? Reach out to the advisor that introduced you to get started today.
So there you have it. That's what our Freedom Wealth looks like. So we get to offer people not just credit restoration with our amazing AI, but all the other features. Like I just tell you right now, I went and got me an actual, I call it a staycation, right? Well, I was able to actually stay here in my local area, right? I was actually stay here in my local area for a very small fraction than what it normally would cost. My savings was like $59 to stay at one of these hotels at the staycation just recently, okay, as a benefit, right? So if I'm basically able to save, actually staying at 5-star places, paying 2-star prices, right? Now that's pretty cool. And so that's what we're looking at for Freedom Wealth. Now I'm going to show you now what we get to offer, and I told you it was Freedom Wealth and then Freedom BCA, right? Which is our Business Credit Academy. Most people that go for funding don't get qualified. And the cool thing about working here as a broker, you have your funding team that's going to work with your person. And if they can't get them funded, they're going to let you know exactly why they didn't get funded, what they need to do. And once we help them do those things, we get them right back to the funding table and be able to help them with the BCA, with the Freedom Wealth if they need it, and then get them the funding that they needed because now they become bankable. But let me show you how powerful this BCA is, this Business Credit Academy is, for those of us that get to offer it to business owners who are not bankable just yet. Let me show you how powerful this is, because when I saw this, I was like, you can't be serious. But we got some guarantees for us. Let me go and play this.
Are you a small business owner or startup struggling to get the funding you need? Have you faced rejection after rejection from lenders? Or worse, do you avoid applying for funding altogether because you're afraid your credit won't hold up? These challenges stop many businesses from reaching their true potential, but they don't have to stop you. The truth is, most small business owners face these same pain points. 1. Limited access to funding. Lenders often prioritize established businesses. 2. Confusing requirements, not knowing what lenders look for or how to prepare. 3. Reliance on personal credit, putting your own financial future at risk. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone, but you don't have to face it alone. That's where Freedom BCA comes in. Our Business Credit Academy isn't just a program. It's a proven system to help small businesses overcome funding obstacles, build strong business credit, and gain the tools to succeed. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pre-qualification. We start with a free pre-qualification scan to assess your current eligibility for funding. No guesswork, just clear, actionable insights tailored to your business. Step 2. Build business credit. Next, we guide you through the exact steps to establish and grow your business credit scores quickly and effectively. This ensures your business can stand on its own, independent of your personal credit. Step 3. Access funding. Finally, once your credit is established, we connect you to over 3,000 vendors and lenders offering lines of credit for everything your business needs: equipment, supplies, marketing, and more. Think you can't qualify because of past credit issues? Think again. Freedom BCA was designed with you in mind. If you've been declined in the past, our system helps you fix the gaps and try again successfully. If you're just starting a business, we'll show you how to build credit from scratch. If you've been afraid to apply, our step-by-step system gives you the confidence to move forward. But that's not all. The Freedom BCA Success System goes beyond just credit building and funding. We also help you optimize your local search rankings to attract more customers, improve your online reviews and star ratings for better credibility, enhance your social media engagement to grow your audience. This isn't just about funding, it's about building a strong, bankable business that's set up for long-term success. And here's our promise to you. Once you complete the Freedom BCA program, we guarantee you'll secure at least $50,000 in aggregate funding. If you don't, your membership fees are waived, and you'll continue to have access to the platform and a dedicated funding advisor until you reach that milestone. Plus, every dollar of your membership fees is applied toward closing costs on future funding deals. Getting started is easy and affordable. For just $689 up front and $189 per month, or an annual plan for $1,699, you'll have everything you need to build credit, access funding, and grow your business. Imagine what you could accomplish with $50,000 or more in funding for your business. With the right credit, the right guidance, and the right system, the possibilities are endless. Don't let fear, rejection, or credit challenges hold you back. Take the first step toward building the business you've always dreamed of. Run your free pre-qualification scan today and join the thousands of business owners who have transformed their futures with Freedom BCA. Freedom BCA, your path to business success.
So now you're seeing exactly what we get to offer the actual clients. This Business Credit Academy, for the price that we get to offer it to the clients for, is a steal. I'll give you an example. I actually spent $4,500 to do my personal credit and to do this business credit. The same thing that you're seeing right now, people are charging the average of $1,000 or more up to get somebody to go do business credit, do something similar. But with us, we have a blueprint. It's a step-by-step blueprint, and we have a guaranteed. Once you completed everything inside of the Business Credit Academy, we're guaranteeing you a $50,000 actual and funding minimum, $50,000 minimum funding. But here's the cool thing: you'll be bankable. So that means you'll help your client become bankable, where they get to now get access to bankable funding with over 3,000 lenders that fund bankable banks. So not only we just getting somebody's credit right, their business credit right, their business profile right, and their personal, potentially they need that, but we're also getting their business bankable, right? It's a whole nother level of funding, right? We do three things here. We see where you are right now, see what funding we can get you, then we get your business profile to get you to become bankable, and then we get you larger funding loans with the lowest interest rates. That's what we get to do here as business brokers with the actual company. Now, here is how you become a business broker. You get all the tools that you need, the training. You get your virtual back office. You get a dedicated customer service. Our funding team is off the chain, y'all. I'm gonna tell you right now. When somebody comes in, and we do two things here. I help somebody fill out the business funding form, so we can see what kind of funding we can get them. And I also do a free business scan with our Business Credit Academy free business scan link. Okay, so we go and see what their business looks like to an underwriter with the business scan, and then we also submit them in to get funding. Right, two things are going to happen. You're going to know exactly if they're fundable right there, potentially fundable by going through the BCA scan. And we'll have our funding team already willing to work with them right now and right then to get them funded. Now, all that right there, by what I just said, is what we get to do. That's all we do. Have them fill out a form to see what funding we can get them, and let's scan their business and see where they are as far as being compliant in regards to underwriting. Right now, the cool thing about this, like I said, you get your website that they go fill out the application from. You can brand your own website as well. Our marketing tools are amazing. I mean, I'm telling you, what we get to do is amazing. All right, we get to do all of this for $129 to start and $49 a month just to be a broker. Okay, and offer these services to the masses. $129 to $49 a month. All right, that's amazing, guys. I've built businesses, and it costs way more than that, and just rent. It costs way more than that just to get the business open. Shoot, some places it costs more than that to even open up your to get your actual business name. Okay, and you can get started in this business for $129 as a business broker to offer every service that we have, and $49 a month. I mean, where they do that at? This is amazing, right? So now let me tell you this. So say now you got in, right? Boom, you're in now. You paid your $129, $49. Let me show you where the money comes from. When we get to help people, we get paid. We paid very handsomely here. Okay, we're just helping people get funding or build their business credit up. That's what we get to do. Get them funding, build their business credit up, help them with their personal credit, and we also got personal loans inside of the Freedom Wealth on top of much more. But this is what we get to do. So we get paid 5 ways here to build our fintech business. We got the active commission, residual commission, customer activation bonuses, leadership match bonuses, and infinity growth bonuses. I'm about to go over each one with you right now. All right. So we have a direct bonus and commission. Okay. Any product that you sell here, if you sell somebody a Business Credit Academy, you're gonna get 40% up front for that sale, and then you're gonna get 30% on the back end every month that bill is paid. So let's take Freedom Wealth right now. To get Freedom Wealth, where I showed you where you get to build your credit, personal credit, all the different tools that we have there. It's $149 and $89 a month. So what's 40% of $189? That's your take-home pay. Okay, do that times 10. Do you understand? It's about $79, right? So about $80, okay, per person. So 8 times 10 is what? $800 for the week. Okay, helps people get their business, their personal credit together. Okay, on top of much more inside their back office. Okay, and then $99 a month for them, right? So the 30% 99 is about $26. So times 10, that's $260 for the month, guys. So I got $800 up front and $260 for the month, helping 10 people get their life right. Okay, so that's the first way of pay, direct bonuses and commissions. Okay, now our next way of pay, which is pretty awesome, that same thing. We have what you call our customer activation bonus. Any new customer you have in a week, it's actually just a product point. Each product comes with points. Okay, each product comes with points. So it's not even the customer. You got somebody that gets the Freedom Wealth and the BCA, and that counts for 2, 3 to 5 points. Okay, let's say that counts for 5 points. You just made an additional $200. Okay, if they sign up to be a rep and they buy Freedom Wealth for just for $318 up front, right, and then $149 a month. Guess what? You just made $100. So one person signing up, you just made $100 for 3 points, right? So 3 points, you make $100. 5 points, you make $200. 10 points this week, you make $500. 15 points this week, you make $1,000, and 20 points this week, you make $2,500. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we also get paid that 40% when and what? If somebody calls a loan, if they make whatever they make, okay, whatever you, if you close a loan and the company gonna make their money, you make 40% of what the company makes. So I'll give you an example. If the company brought in $1,000 from that loan that we funded somebody as a fee, you get 40% of that $1,000. So you're gonna get $400. Okay, but not only you're gonna get $400, you're gonna get $400 and you get 5 points. per loan, ladies and gentlemen. So if I close 4 loans this week and I got paid out on those 4 loans next week, right? I also will get those 4 loans that cashed out, plus I'll get 5 points each loan. I'll get an additional $2,500 just for closing those 4 loans in a week, right? Getting paid out on the 4 loans in a week. That is major. We can do it every single week, ladies and gentlemen. Every single week, we can qualify for any one of these numbers as far as the points, okay? Every week. Now, this is the other way we get paid. As you build and leverage the broker model, right? When you look at real estate will have everybody strives to be what? A broker, and have their own brokerage of realtors in their office, right? And in the real estate world, the brokers get paid off for every single broker, realtor in their brokerage, right? Same thing with mortgage, right? You can say mortgage people, if you have a mortgage brokerage and you have other mortgage agents working with you in your branch, you're getting paid off of every single broker or mortgage lender that makes money. So here's the cool thing about this. We get to do the same thing as well. This is why we're having this call, because I'm going to show you how to become your own broker, but how to leverage, keep things leverage, and help other brokers get in position, because when they earn, you earn. We earn together, right? So 20%, you get to earn up to 20% off your first level, meaning the people that you personally bring in. But as you go through the ranks, as you level up in the business, we unlock levels, meaning you don't just get paid off the person that you brought in, but you start to get paid off the people that they brought in as brokers. Whenever their brokers make money, you'll also make money. So you'll make a 10% off of everybody. You know, at the lowest level, you'll make 10% off level 1, right? But at my level, I make 20% off of level 1, okay? Because I'm actually a marketing director, okay? So I'm an MD. And so I make 20% off, and I get paid out for 6 levels, okay? So you can get paid anywhere from 10 to 20% off your personals, and then you can go down 9 levels. I mean, you get paid off a person they brought in, the person they brought in. You're building out a broker no matter where they at in all 50 states, guys. This is amazing, and we get to show you how to do exactly that, right? Now, that's the third way I think you get paid. Now, here's another phenomenon. This is the main thing that I want you guys to look at and really observe, because this is our monthly growth bonus. The other thing I showed you was weekly, okay? But this right here is monthly, right? And then 20% check match is going to be monthly as well. But this is the goal. If you're generating 150 points, not just with you, but your entire team, okay, your entire team, you earn a bonus on everything you spent, everything that was spent before. I mean, it's everything that was paid out to you before. Don't worry about it, right? That's in addition to this, okay? In addition to this, okay? Now, you're going to get paid $1,000 bonus if you and your team collectively put together, was able to accumulate 150 points. 300 points, 2,000. 600 points through your team, 4,000. All of up to $128,000 a month, with a total points of 1,900 and 2,000 total points. It can come from loans, it can come from Business Credit Academy memberships, it can come from multiple things. And I'm telling you guys, we're doing it all day long. We're doing it all day long, okay? This is the power we get to do here with Freedom Path, okay? So now, how many of you guys, imagine if you were able to, 5 years you done work this business, you done grown and developed your skill set and build a team, and 5 years later, you're now at $120,000 a month. What would you be doing? What would your life look like? $120,000 in just the one way, not including what you make off of loans, not including what you make off your team check match, not including what you're making in your own self weekly. Just $128,000 a month, just in bonus. It took you 5 years to do that. Let me ask you a question. 5 years has already passed, right? Are you at $128,000 a month? Are you at $16,000 a month? $32,000 a month? If you're not, then I want you to take a serious look at this and let us show you a way where that could be a possibility for you coming into 2025. There's going to be people in this company that's going to do this next year, not even 5 years, next year. Okay, we already have Dr. Kofa, who's already at the $8,000 mark in her first month in here. She's already at $8,000 a month with 1,200 or a little over 1,200 points in her organization. Okay, this is the power of what we get to do here, guys. This is the power we get to do here. So I want to make sure that you understand how powerful this project and company truly is. Now, you've seen all of the different ways we got paid. It's now time to start your own business. It's start your own fintech business, broker business, where you get to offer loans to people and you get to help them build their business credit up. You'll be able to do that now, right? Here's what comes with it. You'll have your dedicated broker training and events calendar, professional network opportunities, weekly pay, monthly pay, high growth opportunity, unique entrepreneur approaches. We got some approaches that we're doing, guys, as bar none. I'm loving them, right? Of course, flexible hours. You can work from anywhere. Imagine you're on vacation and somebody needs a loan done. You submit the application on your phone, and loans are getting submitted while you're on vacation, y'all. And then you're getting the check, and you're gonna get paid that out next week into your account while on vacation. Okay, you can have your own co-branded website. You know, a lot of people that actually say, "Hey, can I add it to my brand?" Yeah, sure you can, right? We have tax professionals that add this to their brand for the Schedule C, Schedule E people. We have credit repair people that actually add it as a feature and as an added bonus to their brand. Of course, you can have a co-branded website, not a problem. Okay, you get training and certifications and licenses included. That's all included, guys. Okay, we recognize we've got the recognition trips they're going on. We got one in actually March. Okay, out here in Atlanta, we'll have an event out here in Atlanta that you may want to pull up to. Okay, and we have travel incentives and like I said, a national convention. And this business is willable, sellable, and transferable. You can pass it down to your family, love. I'm telling you, this is one of the most prestigious companies I've been a part, and they are compliance first. Okay. Now, we're at the end of it right now. Thank you for rocking with us, but where do you see yourself, right? I want to ask you, you've seen this presentation, you've seen what we get to offer. It's a glimpse of what we get to offer. You see the kind of money you can make by being a fintech broker here with us, not just help people get funding, but also help them build business credit, okay, to become bankable. Now, if you're not interested, but you know some people who might be, send them our way, right? Reach out to man Jeff Trills. He can get you right. You know what I'm saying? If you're interested but still have questions, then you want to type your question in the chat so we can answer it, or get back with the person that sent you this video. Or if you're ready to take action, it's time for you to take action, right? It's literally time for you to take action. So for those who want to take action, you want to DM me or inbox action. And I know that means you say, Jeff, I'm raising my hand saying, you know, I am ready to get started for $129 and $49 a month to help people get funding and help people get bankable while building business credit. And if they need personal credit, we can help them with that as well. I got the $129. I'm ready to get started right now. What I gotta do? Send me the link. Send me the link. Send me the link. Right? That's what you should be screaming right now, right? If you like this and you see this on New Year, on Christmas Eve, guys. Okay. You might wake up tomorrow and see this video and say, you know, or in the future say, you know, I want in. DM me or the person that sent the video to you and ask them for the link. Text action and buy some action. Okay. And that's what we want to do. So we want to be in a position where we get to help 1 million families become fundable, right? We want to put people in a position to where they're not just getting loans, but they're getting bankable loans because their business is bankable, right? We want to stop people from just going to YouTube University thinking they can just do it themselves, and then they ruin their credit, or they get some funding, don't know the strategy behind what to do once they got the funding and get in a worse position than they did before they had the funding, right? Us being as business brokers, we can educate the people on what to do next once they get the funding. But more so than anything else, I want you to make sure that you secure your spot as a fintech broker and business credit consultant. You deserve to secure your spot for $129, right? So if that's what you want to do and you're ready to get going, go ahead and inbox action so we'll give you the next steps to take action to join us here with Freedom Path as a business broker and fintech consultant here with Freedom Path. My name is Jeff Trills from the Bronx, New York, currently live in Atlanta, and it's time for you to be great because you already are great. I want to congratulate you and welcome you into Freedom Path as our broker, okay? So we can help you expose this to so many more people so that you can benefit their life and get them the funding that they need and deserve, as well as build their business credit up for those who need that. Be great. I'll see you guys next live. Peace.